Hey, it's Mr. Barre, and I'm going to make a video that goes with the one variable equations and inequalities learning goal. Just an extra video if you want to use this to review or if you wanted to use this to prepare for a reassessment. Remember, the actual test is not multiple choice. I have to make it multiple choice for the Kahoot. All right, so solve the equation for R. That means I'm trying to get R all by itself. Who's bugging the R? The T. What's the T doing? Dividing, so I'm going to multiply both sides by T. So R equals dt, R equals dt, R equals dt, R equals td, oh, can't see it. R equals td, or dt, either way. Because multiplication is commutative. 2 times 5 is the same thing as 5 times 2. Number 2, a circus is coming to town. They know they will make $200 based on the refreshments, based on ticket sales. So we have $15, let's put it up here, $15. That's how much a ticket costs, times the number of tickets, plus the refreshments, needs to equal the $2,000 they want to make. There we go. So 2,000 tickets. That doesn't make sense. This one here, B. So $15 times the number of tickets plus the 200 from refreshments equals to 2,000 they made. Number 3, solving it for x. So I'm going to start with some distribution. That's going to take me to negative 12x plus 28 equals negative 8. Minus 28 minus 28, negative 12x. 12x equals negative 36. Dividing by negative 12, dividing by negative 12. X equals 3. Right there. A, that was number 3. 4, solving this for x. So I'm going to start by rewriting it over here. So start by adding 10 to both sides. So negative 5, x is less than 50. Dividing both sides by negative 5, dividing both sides by negative 5. X is greater than, because I divided by a negative 10. X is greater than negative 10, so I have to say it's C. 4, number 5, solve Fox. Oh, look at that, solve. Oh man, these all say solve Fox. Solve Fox X. Solve Fox X. I just caught that. Solve Fox X. Okay, I have to fix that. Solve this one for x. So I have negative x over 5 minus 4 equals negative 4.8 plus 4 plus 4. So negative x over 5 equals what, that negative 0.8 times 5. Actually, I'm going to go with a negative 5 here to get these guys to cancel out. So x equals, is that 4? Positive 4? X equals positive 4. Matches up with that guy. Number 6. To ride in a cab, it costs $8 just to get in. Here's the model for it. So $8 to get in, $3.50 per mile. Solve this for m. So I have c equals 3.5 m plus 8. I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. It's going to give me c minus 8 equals 3.5 m. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3.5. There we go. So c minus 8 over 3.5. C minus 8 over 3.5. Cool, that was number 6. So now we're on 7. Driving 75 miles an hour to San Francisco. Distance is 500 miles, so I have 500 divided by 75. That's the time I spend driving, plus 1.5 hour stopping is my total time. So 500, I think it's that one right here. That's 7. 8. Madison is working 2 jobs to go to college, Starbucks and something else. So $12 at Starbucks plus $15 with the architect, and she has to earn more than $150 at least. So greater than or equal to 150. And we know she's going to work 6 hours at Starbucks, so I can take the Starbucks out, put 6 hours there. Let's match it up. 12 times 6, So it's not these two. It says 12 times 6 plus 15a. That looks good. And it has to be greater than the 150. So it's that one. She earns more than the 150. 8. Number 9, cell phone company. So I get 100 free text messages. So it's going to be messages minus 100. So if I do 105 messages, I have to pay for 5 of them, times the cost per message, plus the $10. And my bill was $10. So my bill, looks like I sent less than 100 messages then. I never went over my 100, but that's not the question. The question is what equation models this. Messages minus 100 times 0.1, this one right here, D. Cool. So just one more way to prepare for a test or for a reassessment. Thanks for watching.